Is it time to sell your crypto? We'll get into that in today's video. What's up, everyone? Crypto Jay here from Shark Gains, coming back at you with another great video for today. Today we're going to be talking about, is it time to sell crypto? I guess we'll find out. All right, perfect. So let's get into the charts here. We're looking at Bitcoin. Let's go ahead and look at the daily charts. Daily charts here. So yes, today we did drop. So today's the daily chart. So today's candle, we came down to about $62,217, which is not bad, but it wicked right back up. And if you look at it, it's still on top of the 50 EMA, right? And the 21 EMA crossed the 150 EMA and it crossed the 50 EMA. And it's on an upward slope, right? So it's looking good, and we came back up. So if we close back up above the 50, we're looking good. Another thing I wanted to show you here, guys, on the weekly chart. If you look at Bitcoin, right, normally in a bull market, you'll see Bitcoin going up, right, and having short corrections, just like here, short correction, and then all the way up here. We had a deeper correction, but if you look at it, A, B, C wave, right? So we've completed an A, B, C wave. Now, is there a possibility that it does, you know, ABC normally after ABC wave, normally you'll start to see it kind of wanting to pump, right? So after that, so it should start keep pumping, or maybe even go sideways for a bit and then maybe pump, right? But the problem with that is there could be a chance that we do get this. We did have this ABC wave here, right? And then it would be bad, right? I don't think this is going to happen, but it could happen, right? So you always have to be prepared that it does come a little bit below and start maybe trending downwards again. A lot of it could be due to the transfers from the government transferring the Mt. Gox Bitcoin and stuff like that, selling off, or they're going to sell off loud. So it could cause a stir up in the market, right? That would be troublesome. But I think, yes, it could happen, and it could cause it to go lower, but I think it would get bought up immediately and come back up to these levels. So if that were to happen, I don't think it's a big issue. I still think that we would still come back up and it'll get bought up quickly. We are in a bull market. We're mid-cycle. This could cause a little bit more delay, but I don't think they're going to be selling it now. They could be. Who knows? I don't know what's going on, but if this does happen, I think it will get bought up quick by the ETFs. So the ETFs will probably buy up real quick, and it'll be a good place for a lot of people to enter. So especially in there, either if it's coming down to this support level over here, or even if it gets lower, right? I think it'll get bought up pretty quickly. I think it's unlikely, because I think what's probably going on, if there is some selling, it's getting bought up pretty quickly around these levels down here. So I don't think it's a big issue. Now, what I think is going to happen is this ABC wave already has happened, right? We're on the way up, and we've bounced on the weekly chart on this EMA line right here. And the EMA line is still sloping up. It's starting to slope up. So what could happen is, I just think it's going to fail right here, right? And I think it's going to try to head up to the highs. It might bounce, but then come above it and then use it as a support to keep going. And that's what I think the most likely scenario is. And then second case, I could see this also maybe coming and going sideways a little bit, and maybe bouncing here, and maybe breaking out, maybe rejecting, and then breaking out, and then starting a new uptrend up, right? So either way, I think, and there's three scenarios. It either goes sideways, goes up, it goes up straight away, or we come down lower, and then it gets bought up, and then it comes up at the end. So either way, I still think it's not time to sell, guys. We're midway through this crypto bull run. We're not. I don't think we're even close. And if the bull run is over, this has to be probably the worst bull run, right? Altcoin season hasn't started. Altcoins haven't started to move. So if this is the end of the bull run, guys, it will be the worst bull run out of all the crypto bull runs that has happened. I don't think that's going to be. I still think Bitcoin is going to hit 100K or more. So let's get ready for that. But I do not think that it's time to sell. I think you should still hold on to everything you have and actually stock up more. The more Bitcoin comes down and the more all the altcoins start to come down, just go ahead and stock up on more, right? Get more. go ahead and cost average more, because you're going to be getting them at cheaper prices. Because once that rally does start going up and everything starts fly up, it's going to be too late. So this might be your last chance to get some more crypto, right? We might have another chance later on, but you never know, right? In crypto, things can just fly up from one day to another. You can have overnight, you can just wake up in the morning and Bitcoin's already at $80,000. So you never know what can happen. Stock up on coins. That's what I think. That's my opinion. I'm not a financial advisor. This is only for educational and for fun. So please do your own research. But I think this is a good time to buy. And as it goes lower, just to keep on buying. And just stocking up. Start building your bags, because it's going to get good. All right. So that is Bitcoin. But yes, we are kind of down today. We come back positive. So today we were negative, almost about 1%. But now we're starting to build back some momentum, and we are positive on Bitcoin. We got other coins starting to get positive here. And let's go ahead and look at the crypto bubbles for today. Let me erase this and go back to here. So yeah, we are down in general in the crypto space. We are looking pretty negative, but that's okay. That's in the day. Let's go into the week. We're still up. We're down on the week on a lot of coins, but we're up on a pretty good amount of coins still. And then if we look at the month, yes, it's kind of looking a little bad, right? If you look at crypto bubbles here, but look, come on, guys, look at that. Look at the year. We're still up 1,000%, 500, 600, 700. But look at Bobo, one of the coins that I've called out in this crypto bull run, right? I've called this coin out to be one of the good meme coins, right? So there goes Bobo. Is up on the year 1,000%. That's looking really good, right? So yeah, we're still looking good. Though we're on the 24 hours, we're just down a bit on most coins. Bitcoin is down 0.94%. On the 7 days, but we're up today at 0.67. Yeah, so the whole crypto market's a little bit down today, but there's no cause for panic. There should not be any fear in the market, because right now we're neutral still. We're still kind of ranging. We're just waiting to break out of this range and start that trend right back up again. All right, guys. So I don't think there's anything to fear. Hold on to your crypto, because if you do sell because you get scared and you start to panic and you do sell, that's when the market goes up, and then you're going to be crying later when Bitcoin hits 100K and all your altcoins, you're out of them. You're out of the crypto market completely, and you're crying because you could have made $50,000, $100,000, $1 million, your first $1 million, right? Transfer of wealth. You could have been in that, right? So don't sell, guys. We're still good. We're still looking good. We're still bullish overall. All right. We're still bullish overall. And yeah, look how high we are from where the bear market ended, right down here. These were the lows, bottomed out over here, and look where we are. We're still looking really good, guys. All right. We're still above on the weekly, above the 50. We're still above the 150 and the 200 EMA. So we're looking really good. Before we go, let's go ahead and look at Kaspa. Kaspa has broken that 20 cents. It did came back down today in that 19 cent range, but we're breaking out again. So Kaspa's looking good. It kind of went down today a bit, but it's still staying above that 20 cents range, which is good. So we're breaking out. As long as we can close this week above the 20 cents, it doesn't matter what happens now. If we go below 20 cents, above 20 cents, below, again, it doesn't matter, because what only matters is at the end of the week, Kaspa closes above 20 cents, because that's what's, I think, is going to start a nice little bounce and rally to get to 25, 30 cents, or even 35 cents, which I think that's our next target. All right. So let's quickly go over the daily chart and see what has happened. So yeah, we've came down and kind of bounced. So it's looking like we're creating this support here on the top. Bouncing on top of it. So it's looking good still. Kaspa, everything's looking good. So guys, don't panic, don't sell. My Kaspa maxis out there. Good job. We're holding tight. We're gonna be making millions in the end of this bull run. All right, guys. So whoever is holding Kaspa, you will become a millionaire, because Kaspa is the best project, is the best coin, is the best crypto. For 14 years, we have not been able to solve the trilemma, and Kaspa has solved the trilemma. It is the only coin to do that. It is the best coin apart from Bitcoin. Please like, subscribe, and put on those notifications so that you can get notified every time I do upload a video. Any of you guys have any comments, go ahead and leave it down below, and I'll respond to any comments that you guys leave me. All right, guys, have a great rest of your day. God bless. Be safe out there. Peace.